Hey and welcome. I just wanted to give a quick introduction of who I am and what is happening. If you've been here before, you're probably noticing that the name is different. This used to be a channel called Rain and Shine. I just couldn't quite get it together. I wasn't quite feeling the vibe that I had created with that, but I really wanted to create something for everyone. And this is the new and improved Jennifer Tries. I am going to do weekly videos of things that I try. These could be things that I've tried in the past, but I've never given it another chance, or it could be something that I've never done. I am really excited about this. I think it's going to be so much fun, and I can't wait for you to visit and watch these videos and see what's going to happen. They're going to be anywhere from beauty tutorials to cooking to technology and everything in between. And it's going to be so fun. Subscribe and go hit the reminder button so you don't miss out on the very first video. And I can't wait to see you and talk to you. Thanks. Bye.